Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a cooked turkey. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we are here with my son Mateo. Mateo, can you say hi?
Hi.
Mateo is a 8-year-old and he's gonna help me drawing today
Turkey.
a turkey that is being cooked already. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is the wing and the leg. Let's start here with kind of like sideways letter C, and it looks like this, and then it goes up and comes back down. That's for the wing. So I start with a C shape.
Chicken wing, and broccoli. Chicken wing, cheese and macaroni.
Ooh, that's a big wing. Good job. Okay, so this wing is in the center of the paper. Now we're gonna move over a little bit and we're gonna do the leg. So this time my letter C is gonna be even wider. So I'm gonna go with a wide letter C and then I go up.
Do you know why I made a big chicken wing? So the turkey
Stop right
can
there.
slap you before he gets cooked.
Oh my goodness. And then we're gonna do kind of like a letter M shape up here. So we're gonna go like this. It's kind of like a letter M. And now I'll continue and connect with the other side. Perfect. Now, before we continue with the turkey, we're gonna do the stuff that is in front of the turkeys, in between these two, and we can put some potatoes. So for the potatoes, I'm just gonna do like circles.
Potato.
And these can be different sizes.
You say potato, I say duck.
Like a double.
You should have called it a double.
Okay, and then we're gonna leave a space here, and we're gonna do a lemon that is sitting right here on the plate. And I wanna do a oval shape.
An oval? What does an oval have to do? Yeah, I know 3D.
Okay, and then we're gonna do in the middle with the point of the marker. I'm gonna do lines that go across. So we're gonna do one across, and then one that goes here, and then we're gonna do one more crossing like this. Perfect. I wanna do two curves, one here and one in the other side. And we're gonna close on the bottom, doing kind of like a U shape. Perfect. We're just gonna leave it like this. These are the items that overlap. Now let's do the actual turkey. We're gonna start joining. We're gonna do a curve. It's a little curve from behind the lemon, and I'm gonna go around, kind of like doing an oval shape that goes and connects with the leg, kind of like halfway here.
Okay.
Good. We're gonna pretend this line goes in behind the wing and it's gonna go in behind the potatoes and connects with the leg.
I say potato, you say duck.
Now we're gonna do the other leg that is sticking out here, in behind. In the middle of the turkey, I'm gonna do a curve. And then I wanna do my line.
Okay, then I'm gonna do my line.
And then at the end, we're gonna do this letter M shape, curve, curve, and a line. Now we're gonna do the separation that we do here for where the meat ends and the bone sticks out. And we're gonna do kind of like a zigzag line here at the end. I wanna do the same thing, a zigzag line here at the end.
A W. I don't know why they call it a W. It's more like a double V. Right, Mom?
Yeah, that's like a like a double.
You should have called it a double V
instead of W. Now we're gonna do the other wing that is sticking out in behind from this point a little bit up from the lemon, and we're gonna go curve up and go back down. We're gonna do lattice sticking out of the turkey. In between the lemon and the wing, we're gonna do kind of like curves that come around for lattice. Inside we can make a couple lines, so we're gonna do a line like here and here just to make it look more like leafy. So now we can choose, you can choose where to put more. We're gonna put some in behind the lemon, and this is gonna be a small one. Then we're gonna put one sticking out in behind the potatoes. You can put one more underneath the leg. And it just curves. These curves doesn't have to be exactly like ours. It's just an idea. And I'm gonna put the lines in just to make it look more like a leaf. Okay, the last thing we're gonna do is mark where the plate goes underneath the lemon, okay? And we're gonna try to do a curved line that goes around these things that I have here, like this. Perfect. And if you still have room, I think you have a little bit of room here in between the turkey and the leg. We're gonna join these lettuce here. I wanna go around with my curve, and in this side, around with my curve. Oh, yeah, we missed this line. You think we should connect here?
Yeah.
All right. And there, that's it. We finished this cooked turkey that is ready for Thanksgiving. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our cooked turkey turned out with the colors we used. Here we couldn't make it really bright. You can skip this part and just do all your turkey brown. That's okay too. At the end, we went with that darker brown and we put some texture by doing little dots on the bottom just to make it look more like the skin. And we also add this kind of like a steam coming out of the turkey. Mateo did it with the black marker. I did it with the yellow marker just to make it a little lighter. And the very last thing, we add gray color underneath all these elements just to give a little bit of a shadow, like the turkey is really sitting on the table.
But wait, I didn't.
No, you didn't. You can add it later, right?
Sure.
Yeah, what do you think of your picture?
Good.
Yeah, I think you did really good. I love your perspective and I love how your turkey turned out. So we wish all of you a happy Thanksgiving and we hope you get to eat a lot of turkey. See you next time.